Hey guys, this is Prasant from Tech Answered, and let's get started. In the last tutorial, we saw how to use SED command for substitution purpose. In this tutorial, we will see more advanced version of this, where we will try to use a matched string, and we will also see extended regular expression in SED. Okay, so let us get started. So for example, first is echo 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I have the text ABCD. So this is my text which I want to display on the screen. So it is displayed now. So what I want to do is that now I want to use SED in this case. Okay, and what I want to do is that if I find anything that starts with a number, I want to put that number in a bracket. So it is very simple for me in this case, because in this case I know what is the number here, which is 1 2 3 4, and I can put it inside a parenthesis. Okay, so I can do it like this. So it is very simple. I can this is the output. Okay, there might be certain situations where you want to put underscore before this one, just to print underscore or something. So you can use underscore like this as well. Okay, but especially in situations where you do not know the text. Okay, and you still want to do substitution, so we can use ampersand as the matched string. Okay, so say for example, right now what I want to do is that I want to find a number. Okay, any number that I find. So any number that number always is in 0 to 9 range. Okay, so any number that I find. Okay, and that number I want to replace it with underscore. So what I will do is that I will give ampersand. Okay, and let us run this command and see. Okay, so this is trying to this is basically not trying to replace, it is just trying to show you that okay, now you have been able to find 1 2 3 4 inside it. Okay, so let us consider next case where you want to put this matched string inside this parenthesis. Okay, so now you see in this case what I have done is that I have given 0 to 9. Okay, so 0 to 9 will be substituted with a ampersand. So ampersand is the matched string which will match with the string that is found as a result of this one, which is nothing but this one. Okay, and that matched string should go inside this parenthesis. So you can see the output right here. Okay, so there might be certain situations where you want to repeat something. Okay, so if you want to repeat a matched string, so what you will do is that you just give a space and you put another ampersand. Okay, let us run this and see what happens. So now you can see we have two outputs, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 space ABCD. Okay, so let us consider one more example where if I'm writing ABCD 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I want to display only ABCD on the output screen. Okay, so how to keep only part 1 and to remove a second part is by using SED. So what we will use in this case is that we will again use echo ABCD 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we will pass it to SED. Okay, and the string that we have to find, we have to put it inside a parenthesis. Okay, so that is important here. So let me put the string that we want to find inside a parenthesis, which I have already put. Okay, and after that what we will do is that we will give this will cover this with this parenthesis, and after that we will search it with star. Okay, and after that what we will do is that we want to remember. Okay, so suppose for example, if SED is doing substitution for ABCD, so I want to remember it, so I can remember it using \1. Okay, this is how you remember a string. Okay, so you remember one string, and now if you run this, you are getting the output as 1 2 3 4. Sorry, ABCD. Okay, let us consider another example. In this case I will try to match two strings and I want to reverse those strings. Okay, so for example, right now my output is ABCD 1 2 3 4. I want to replace it as 1 2 3 4 ABCD. So this output will go in the SED. Okay, and how we can do is that is by using the similar trick that we used last time. Okay, so we have to use this one. Okay, and after that we have to put the text that we want to find inside a parenthesis. So we have already put it inside a parenthesis. Now we are just going to close it, and after that for example, let us do this one before we close it. Okay, and then we can close it. Okay, so this is my first matched string. So from here to this one. Okay, this is my first matched matched string and I want to repeat it. Okay, so I have just copied it so that I can paste it again. So let me paste it one more time. Okay, so again I have pasted. So I will just give one space just to make understand the difference between the two. Okay, and next I have to match is 0 to 9. Okay, and now this is also done. Okay, so what my next target is to remember both the strings. Okay, so first match string will go inside 2. Okay, second match string will go inside 1. Why am I writing 2 before 1 is because I want to reverse. Okay, so now you see here. Okay, SED can remember up to 9 such matched string. So first match string A to Z, which was ABCD. Okay, it went inside 1. Okay, second match string, which is 0 to 9, which is 1 2 3 4, it went inside 2. Okay, and I have written 2 before 1, so that is the reason 1 2 3 4 is coming before ABCD. And remember guys, there is a space between 2 and 1 here. So likewise you can keep up to 9 matched strings. So say for example my third matched string is this. Okay, and so I want to do a third matching as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will again copy this one. Okay, so I will copy this one. Okay, and after that I will paste it here. Okay, so I'll just give a space and I will paste. Okay, in this case again it is it is one character, so I will put A to Z. Okay, and I will put it in number 3. Okay, sorry, not 4, number 3. Okay, so as you can see, this 1 2 3 4 ABCD. Okay, so likewise SED can remember up to 9 matched string. Okay, so this word ABCD is matched here in the first attempt A to Z. Okay, because this is the input stream that you are giving to SED editor. Okay, so for first time when it is trying to match with A to Z, it will first get ABCD and that will be considered as a matched string and it will be stored in 1. Okay, second time when this matched string is running on 0 to 9, it will find 1 2 3 4 as the number. Okay, and that matched string will go in 2. Third time again the matching will happen for this word, which is this, and it will go inside A to Z and it will go inside 3. Okay, so if you just replace 2 with 3 here, okay, and you put 3 here, so you can see number will come first. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use \1, \2 and \3 in order to do matching and other things. Okay, so